Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. If you wanted to delete your Facebook account, you are into the right place. The first thing you wanted to do to get started is to back up everything into your account. So don't hit delete yet. First, you wanted to go into your account center. The first thing you wanted to do is to go directly into my Facebook account. I sign in, and into the right section, let's go for the option that says settings and privacy. Then let's hit once again into the settings here, and what you can do is look out for the option that says account center. Then you want to click into this element that says your informations and permissions. So hit here for the informations and permission and tap into the element that says export your information. You can choose to download a zip file or your photos, or even transfer them directly to the Google Photos Dropbox. So once you have now backed it up into the account center, what you can do is now to delete your account. Now that we are here into the information and permissions, instead of hitting here, let's go for the option that says profiles and personal details. Usually in here, it appears the account ownership and control. If it doesn't appear the ownership and control, that's because Meta has now been updated a few days before. So you're going to click into managed accounts and go for the Facebook account that you wanted to delete, which in my case is this one, and go for managed. This is the element we're actually looking for. Now select the account, choose the specific Facebook profile you want, skip the deactivation or deletion. This is one of the wipes everything, including your messenger history. So let's go for delete your account. When you delete your account, your main profile, everything else you added with the permanently deleted, you won't be able to retrieve anything you have added. All additional profiles, messenger, and calls of the messages will be also deleted. So with that being said, let's go for continue. So Facebook will ask you why you're leaving. So you want to choose a reason. I will stop the process and keep hitting to the option that says continue until it will be asking you to let's say enter an actual passcode one last time. This is the final gate. So type into the element that says continue. You will be logged out instantly when you clicked into this element and you type your passcode. So then what happens is that your account isn't actually gone yet. It is in the 30 days waiting period. If you regret this, for example, you logged in back within the 30 days and click into cancel deletion. On 30 day, the day 31, I believe, however, there's no returning back, so you want to take that in mind. And well, basically that's actually it, how you can delete your Facebook account. So have officially taken back your data privacy. So if you're cleaning up your entire digital footprint, you can let me know in the comments below. Hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And hopefully with all of this being said, guys, we can all see you well next time.